Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to clear Google search and browser history on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Google Chrome. After that, you need to click on this upper right corner button and here click Search History. Wait some seconds and here you can click Auto Delete, or you can, if you want to delete one separate link, you need to click on this cross, for example, and confirm this action. But if you want to delete all your links, you must click Delete and click Delete all time. Click Next and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.